Hi there, I'm Kyle with MyRubberneck.com. Cold water can be such a drag. So that's why I use Eccotemp Tankless water heaters to keep my water nice and toasty. All you have to do is hook one end up to a garden hose and the other up to a propane tank and flip a switch to make her work. That means when you gotta go, the Eccotemp Tankless water heater goes with you. Try the L5 for 1.4 gallons per minute. The L7 for 1.6 gallons per minute. And finally, the L10 for 3 gallons per minute. Just imagine washing your car, your house, your dog, pants, chicken, or grandma with hot water. So if you want to see the Eccotemp Tankless water heater line at the lowest prices available, go to www.myrubberneck.com. You can also see my Rubberneck on eBay or Amazon seller my.rubberneck. Bye-bye.